Hi YouTube, Mr. Who's the Boss here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you literally the coolest app you've seen this year. So it's actually really simple. All you need to do is head onto the Play Store and download this free app. So this app is called Transparent Wallpaper Camera. It's not exactly an inventive name, but whatever, the app works great. So once you've downloaded and installed the app, all you need to do is just click Install Wallpaper. And this will take you onto the Setting Wallpaper screen. And if you just click Set Wallpaper now, and I go back home, if you actually look, this is my phone. And you can literally see that you can see through it, pretty much. It's giving that effect. So what it's basically using is your camera technology to appear transparent. And it works really great, and it's a really cool way to fool people into thinking you've actually got a transparent phone, if they're retarded. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.